So dating way back to the mid-90s, whereby the UK and the US wanted to exchange currencies, the medium in which they used for their exchange rates was through a steel cable passing through the Atlantic Ocean from US to UK, or from New York to London. So through this cable they use for their exchange rates between UK and London, that's why till now you hear the cable. So whenever you hear cable, it's trying to refer to the GBP and the US dollar. So fast forward to somewhere 1999, that was whereby a new technology was emerging called the fiber optic cable. That's whereby the Europeans also incorporated that for using to transfer or sending exchange rates between Europe and the US. So whenever you hear the Euro USD, you can also call it the fiber or the fiber currency pair. This nickname was derived from the Japanese traditional warriors, which remains a distinguishable part in the Japanese culture around the world. So traders, whenever you hear the term ninja or the ninja pair, that's the US dollar and the Japanese yen. The US dollar and the Canadian dollar also has a nickname called the LOONIE. So anytime you hear the word LOONIE, it means the USD versus the CAD. There are 4 key things you need to know as a trader before you start trading. That's pips, lots, spread, and leverage. You need to know these 4 things before you even start trading in the market. I've made a separate video explaining these things into details. You can just click the link over here or there to watch those videos. So when we talk about bullish and bearish, or bulls and bears, we are not talking about animals, we are talking about a market condition. So when we say the market is bullish, it means most traders are going towards the upward direction or placing buy trades. That makes the market push towards the upward direction. And when we say bears, we are trying to explain the market coming towards a downward direction. So whenever I hear bulls and bears, those are the meanings. It's a situation or a condition in the market, whether the market is going bullish or bearish. In Forex trading, we trade with currency pairs. We have what is called a base currency, and we have what is called a quote currency. The quote currency can also be called the counter currency. So if you are new into trading Forex, or you've already been trading Forex, you know that in Forex trading, you trade with currency pairs. The currency needs to be pairs, this against that or that against this. So when you are trading, let's say the GBP, it should be paired with another currency pair. So we have the GBP and the US dollar. That's what we call the cable. So the currency that comes first, that's the GBP, is called the base currency. And the currency that comes second is called the quote currency or the counter currency. So USD, JPY. USD is the base currency and the JPY is called the quote or the counter currency. So these are the differences. You should know that as a trader. For support in the market, traders place trades at some specific areas in the market as they believe that the price will again fall to break below that level. In other words, traders, a support level is a previous low at which the price has a large chance to retrace or move up. Talking about resistance, while support levels are based on previous lows, resistance levels also track the previous highs at which the price had difficulties in breaking above. Traders always remember those levels and place their trades around them. These are some few terminologies and slangs you need to know in the market. That's all for today. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel and trade safe.